Want to take your gaming and editing to the next level? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best graphics cards on Amazon, from budget-friendly options to high-performance beasts built for 4K gaming and heavy workloads. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading your old one, these GPUs deliver speed, power, and stunning visuals. Stick around to find the one that fits your setup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear that powers your play. At number 1 we have GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 WindForce OC8G is a next-generation graphics card built on NVIDIA's latest RTX architecture, delivering cutting-edge performance for gamers and creators alike. Equipped with 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, it ensures smooth gameplay, stunning visuals, and rapid load times. Enhanced RT cores bring real-time ray tracing for lifelike lighting and shadows, while advanced tensor cores provide powerful AI acceleration for both gaming and creative applications. The WindForce cooling system keeps temperatures low and performance high, ensuring stable operation even during intense gaming sessions. With its factory overclocked design, the card offers improved frame rates right out of the box for a competitive edge. C4.0 support guarantees maximum bandwidth for today's demanding titles and workloads. At number 2 we have PowerColor AMD RX 9070 XT graphics card. Red Devil features a 12+ 1-phase power design, along with a dedicated 3+ 2-phase memory power supply. It is equipped with conductive polymer capacitors, offering thermal stability and durability. Crafted with 12-layer high thermal conductivity material with a 2 ounces power layer, ensure better signal stability during high-frequency transmission. Ensures micro gaps between the GPU and heatsink are rapidly filled during high-load operations, significantly enhancing thermal efficiency. Premium Japanese dual ball bearings to reduce rotational friction and extend fan lifespan. Designed with 9 blades, enhancing fan speed and airflow while keeping noise level to the minimum. Fan cooling ensures GPU to operate within optimal temperature. The fans kick in at 60 degrees Celsius and stop below 50 degrees Celsius. At number 3 we have ASUS RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card. The ASUS Prime RTX 5070 is designed with a 2.5 slot layout that optimizes airflow and cooling efficiency, making it ideal for demanding gaming and creative workloads. Its shroud, heatsink, and heat pipes are carefully engineered to allow the triple axial tech fans to take full advantage of side panel ventilation, delivering superior thermal performance. A premium phase change GPU thermal pad ensures excellent thermal conductivity, helping to dissipate heat more effectively and maintain consistent performance under heavy loads. This design not only enhances cooling but also contributes to the card's long-term durability. Built for gamers and creators who demand stable performance, the ASUS Prime RTX 5070 combines advanced engineering with robust cooling technology for smooth, reliable operation. At number 4 we have GIGABYTE RTX 5090 32G graphics card. The GIGABYTE Aorus GeForce RTX 5090 Master Ice 32G is a powerhouse graphics card built for gamers and creators who demand the absolute best performance. Powered by NVIDIA's latest RTX architecture, it delivers breathtaking visuals, lightning-fast frame rates, and next-level AI acceleration for both gaming and professional workloads. Featuring enhanced RT cores and tensor cores, it provides realistic ray-traced graphics, cutting-edge AI capabilities, and ultra-smooth gameplay. With an incredible 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, the card handles massive textures, complex 3D rendering, and advanced creative applications with ease. Designed to stay ahead of its time, the RTX 5090 Master Ice ensures unmatched performance, efficiency, and reliability for the most demanding experiences. At number 5 we have PowerColor RX 9070 XT graphics card. Providing reliable support for every gamer, the Hellhound features a 10+ 1-phase power design, along with a dedicated 3+ 2-phase memory power supply. Utilizes a 12-layer high thermal conductivity PCB material with a 2 ounces power layer, reducing signal attenuation during high-frequency transmission. This design meets the stability and high current demands of advanced GPUs. The phase change properties of PTM7950 ensure that micro gaps between the GPU and heatsink are rapidly filled during high-load operations, significantly enhancing thermal efficiency. Dual ball bearings reduce rotational friction, providing excellent heat dissipation and effectively doubling the expected lifetime of the fans. Exclusive ring blade design with up to 9 blades improves fan speed while maintaining low noise levels. At number 6 we have ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. AI performance, 1492 AI tops. GPU Tweak 3 software provides intuitive performance tweaking, advanced thermal control, and system monitoring. OC Edition, 2625 MHz OC mode, 2602 MHz default mode. 3.2 slot design, massive fin array optimized for airflow from the 3 axial tech fans. Axial tech fans have been scaled up to propel more air through the card to reach higher performance. 0 decibels technology lets you enjoy light gaming in relative silence. Max contact design with vapor chamber ensures efficient heat transfer, providing a premium performance. Phase change GPU thermal pad helps ensure optimal heat transfer, lowering GPU temperatures for enhanced performance and reliability. Premium power delivery with digital power control and 15K caps ensure high performance. Protective PCB coating envelops the circuit board to help protect against short circuits caused by moisture, dust, or debris. AuraSync features Aura-compatible ARGB lighting on the shroud and perimeter allows endless personalization. At number 7 we have PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card. NVIDIA's latest innovations with the GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs bring a whole new level of gaming, AI, and creative performance. DLSS 4 delivers supreme speed and superior visuals by using AI to boost FPS, lower latency, and enhance image quality with features like multi-frame generation, advanced ray reconstruction, and super resolution, continuously improved by NVIDIA's AI supercomputer in the cloud. NVIDIA Reflex 2 gives competitive gamers the edge with optimized responsiveness, faster target acquisition, and sharper aim precision, while the upcoming frame warp feature further reduces latency by syncing directly with the latest mouse input. Beyond gaming, RTX AI PCs put the world's leading AI technology at your fingertips, accelerating not only games but also productivity, creativity, and development. At number 8 we have XFX Black Gaming Graphics Card. The XFX Merc AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX is built for extreme gaming power and efficiency, delivering cutting-edge performance with 24 GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory for seamless 4K and beyond gaming experiences. Powered by AMD's latest RDNA 3 architecture, this card features a boost clock speed of up to 2615 MHz, ensuring ultra-smooth gameplay, lightning-fast frame rates, and superior rendering. The advanced XFX Merc triple fan cooling solution keeps the GPU cool and quiet under heavy loads, providing optimal thermal performance and durability. Designed for enthusiasts, creators, and competitive gamers, the RX 7900 XTX combines massive memory bandwidth, next-gen efficiency, and robust cooling to deliver the ultimate performance for modern gaming and creative applications. At number 9 we have GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 WindForce OC SFF12G is engineered to be ahead of its time and ahead of the game, delivering next-level performance in a small form factor, SFF, design. Powered by NVIDIA's latest RTX architecture, it brings stunning visuals, ultra-fast frame rates, and cutting-edge AI acceleration to both gaming and creative workloads. With its enhanced RT cores and Tensor cores, this graphics card ensures lifelike ray-traced graphics and next-gen AI-powered rendering. Equipped with an impressive 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, it provides massive bandwidth for smooth 4K gameplay, high-performance content creation, and demanding multitasking. Combined with GIGABYTE's renowned WindForce cooling technology, this card offers efficient thermal management while maintaining stable overclock performance, making it an ideal choice for gamers and creators who demand power in a compact package. At number 10 we have ASUS RTX 5060 graphics card. The latest NVIDIA Blackwell-powered graphics card is built to deliver cutting-edge performance with advanced AI capabilities, offering an impressive 785 AI TOPS for next-generation workloads. With OC mode boosting the clock speed up to 2692 MHz, 2662 MHz in default mode, it ensures blazing fast performance for both gaming and AI-driven applications. Powered by DLSS 4 technology, it provides superior visuals, smoother frame rates, and optimized rendering efficiency. To ensure long-term reliability, the card is constructed with military-grade components, delivering rock-solid power and durability under heavy loads. Additionally, a protective PCB coating safeguards against short circuits from moisture, dust, and debris, ensuring maximum stability and longevity for high-performance users.